JRH
I need more lube,
just
dude.
the right height. No bucket is required.
Did you get that memo?
Sean, get my enema
God,
bucket,
It
dude.
was my favorite memo ever.
You stand a pretty woman in a pretty mirror? I'll take the mirror.
Hi everybody, this is Ethan from h3h3productions on behalf of Expert Village. Hey, this is Ethan Klein from Peep a Cute Girl Like This. And if you can see that she's looking at you back through the colander, then you know she's interested, and then you should go in for the ether rag to the face and drag her home to your rape dungeon. On Expert Village, I mean, it's like Disneyland on YouTube. Have you ever found a YouTube channel so great that you wanted to tell the whole world about it? Well, I have. Check it out. I learned blah, 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 blah. Woo! Experts for these expert cringe village videos. Damn it, Sean! It's just gonna get worse from here. Oh, why am I itching my face so hard doing it? I shouldn't do this while I'm doing this bit.
Orgasm. Yes, they do. Called marigasms. And when a mare orgasms,
Do you see this soul patch? Do you see this white face? I don't know why that matters that he's white, but I find it a little bit amusing. My dad has a soul patch. Full disclaimer on that.
at that moment of orgasm, for lack of a better word, the two souls actually merge and touch, albeit for a brief
So
instant.
beautiful, dude. So
And
mystical.
It's humbling.
It's
It
humbling.
is.
Woo! You jealous? Where's my bucket? Left my bucket at home, boy. You jealous? Yeah, dude. Give me some horse cock. No fucking bucket. Leave your buckets at home, boys. Yo, you ever had a marigasm? You ever marigasm, girl? This is one of my favorite flirting techniques. I get my drink at the bar and I go, oh yeah, oh that's really interesting story. That's a really interesting story. Excuse me, one moment. Please continue. Mares do orgasm, okay? I'm sick of people trying to ask. Woo! I'm loving these expert pimp experts. Village expert pimp experts.
Expert Village.
What?
I just corrected you.
Don't ever do that again, Hila. Shut up! Mares do orgasm! I just heard it here. Yeah, they do. The mares do have orgasms. Hold on, I'll tell you what they're called. I don't know, you didn't say it yet.
Called marigasm.
They're called marigasms, dude. Then Patrice comes out and fucking drugs everyone. The end. Rape dungeon. Patrice. Great lighting. Rape dungeon. The end. If you guys out there who are single looking for love and thinking, you know what? I don't know if... Oh, fuck my shithole. Fuck. Dude. All I'm saying is that, yeah, dude, I might climb up on that bucket. If someone put a gun up to my head and said, you gotta fuck one or the other, I know that's coming out wrong, okay? And I'm saying that I'm interested in fucking animals or something. That's not the case. It's about her. It's not about the horse. You know what I mean? I'm reporting serial rape. Yeah, we just saw a video on YouTube. Hey, I just realized this is the same act we did in the first one in the beginning. Yeah, but that's okay. It's still funny. Ethan, am I homeless? You know? Am I homeless or do I just not care? Perfect example of great great eye contact. I mean, compared to my previous... Don't forget to pick up the Chinese food, okay? Especially wonton soup. And don't forget the super red sweet sauce that is a metaphor for the blood of a young girl's vagina who was raped. That's really dark and gross. But do it anyway, okay? Marriage counseling, Not that good. Tone it down a little bit on that.
That way.
I'm done. Horrible. Yeah. This isn't funny. That's not funny. You want to keep rolling? You want to just keep rolling, or you want me to stop? If you're looking for more h3h3 content, I recommend clicking the video there right in the middle. It's going to take you to our second channel, to a video blog, and hey, I think it's pretty entertaining. I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun there. Do you have anything you want to add, Ela?
Nothing.
An unoriginal production.
Crunch.